I really wanted to say is that you're not alone. And during my personal journey in this, I was even in denial of the things that I've been struggling with myself. And I'm not aware that these symptoms are actually, slowly progressing. It wouldn't be as, as manifesting as it would look like. So it's constantly a battle of, not knowing what you're going through. So for all these women, and not just women, even men who they think something is wrong, that is valid. Please seek help. There's always that someone who's always willing to listen. And nakakatuwa na yung mga nagbibigay ng feedback na sinasabi nilang, oh my gosh, I really should seek help kasi parang ito na yung pinagdadaanan ko. So that way we are bringing awareness na, oh, this is something, it's an elephant in the room. It should be talked about, and not all people are comfortable sharing